holidays. It's time for the holidays. Can't believe we made it through the maze. It's been a long year coming. Better bring a gift and the right attitude if you coming. It's the holidays. You ready for the holidays?
What it do? Myles Crew! It's your boy Alan.
It's Maya. Really? It's It's AB. It's Riri.
What's up, guys? It's your boy AD.
And it's your girl, Britney.
It's Vlogmas Day!
What we gonna be doing today, y'all? We're gonna be eating Christmas food.
We're gonna be
For
24 hours. Who out there like Christmas so much that you want to eat Christmas food for 24 hours? On Christmas, yeah. We gonna be eating Christmas food
For breakfast, lunch, dinner, and night.
I don't know if I'm ready for all that Christmas food, y'all. Y'all?
Nope.
Well, you not.
I sure did. I sure did.
You not ready for this one?
I don't think I'm ready for this.
Christmas got a lot of sweet food.
You said you is?
I'm ready for it.
You not, Mo?
Christmas got a lot of sweet foods. I don't know about all that.
And yeah,
Well, let's get breakfast started.
Let's get it!
This looks so Christmas-tastic.
Green pancakes.
This looks so good.
Looks like breakfast is served, guys. We got the snowman.
She already took a big bite.
Jeezy the snowman. Jeezy! Momo got that candy cane.
Maya had a star, but it barely looks like it.
Good.
Okay.
I want some syrup.
You need syrup with yours, babe?
Yeah. They're gonna be delicious.
Yeah, that syrup is. Yeah.
Ava, yeah.
That's that syrup from Trader Joe's, y'all. If y'all seen that vlog, that stuff is that's the truth. It's good.
Put them on. You got some of mine. Is it good? Family, have y'all ever had green pancakes for breakfast on Christmas or ever thought about it? They pretty good. I know. I never had them for breakfast, but they are good.
You eat it? No.
It's snack time!
And we're gonna be having some eggnog and holiday pretzels.
Y'all take a sip on?
Yeah. Here, Avery, let me get yours. Why are you asking me, Kate?
Eggnog is good.
Here, let me get you want some just a little bit.
I thought it was gonna taste like egg.
Not a lot. I don't want a lot, Mama.
I just gave you a little.
Eggnog is not my cup of tea, guys. It ain't my cup of tea. I don't like it like that.
Hey, you guys. I know what you guys are thinking. We got a nice old good snack, but I have to at least try it. I'm gonna dip my pretzel into the eggnog and see how it tastes. Okay, you guys. It's probably gonna be nasty.
Listen.
I'm doing it too.
Now we got nasty socks, you guys. Now we got nasty socks.
Ew, look at this, y'all.
So what kind of shape is that? What is that?
I got a sock.
Yeah.
That's a stocking.
Okay, you got the stocking.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, me too. I got a stocking too.
You can barely taste the eggnog when you dip it with the dab.
I see the stocking.
Ew,
I see the
it's a
candy
piece in
cane.
there.
Is this a bell? Bell. A Christmas tree.
Supposed to be 5 different shapes. 5 different shapes.
I only got 4.
I only got one.
Oh, she got one. It's a star.
I got
I mean, it look like I got all stars. I don't know how this happened, guys, but I got all stars. That's crazy.
You guys, I got all 5 shapes.
You did?
Yeah.
You do for real?
Yeah, look. I got the stocking, the star, the Christmas tree, the bell, and the candy
I think
cane.
80 might be the only one that got all 5.
Yep.
Ava, did you get all 5?
I only got 4.
I only got 3 of the shapes.
Lee?
I am the lucky bunch.
No? Mama? You got all 5?
I think. Wow, I'm trying.
That good?
1, 2, 3.
Alright, what shape you got?
Just 3. Avery only has 3.
Oh, okay, stocking.
Me too, Ree. I got 3 too.
Yep, let's see it.
What y'all think? I like these pretzels. I like the cute little shapes.
Mm-hmm. What you think about the eggnog, Lee?
Nasty.
Nasty? What you think about it, Mom?
The nasty.
You don't like the eggnog? Twins, did you guys like the eggnog?
Did you like your drinks? No? Did you like your drink? It was alright?
Alright.
I didn't like it.
80 said he liked it.
No, I didn't.
You did.
Oh,
you
didn't you
said
say-
it was busted.
You didn't say you liked it.
I did, but then I switched it because it started tasting nasty because of egg.
They said it was busting.
It don't taste good no more.
Look.
Ava said something about thick medicine, and now it just tastes like thick medicine.
See, if she didn't say that, you would still like it though.
Probably yours tasting like
Look,
vanilla ice cream.
it tastes straight gross. I cracked it. It tastes but it don't look cracked.
You what?
See, it's cracked. But it didn't look cracked.
Yeah, you guys, it's like Squid Games. Let's try and get all the pieces out the star without breaking it.
Let's see if you can do it. Broke.
I broke it.
He broke it already.
Damn. Hey, they would've got shit already.
I would try.
Why, AD?
I would have been gone.
Hey, Mom, what's wrong?
Maya said more. You want more of it?
Look, that.
You said it was nasty.
Look, I tried
Man, I did not crack this. Look, I did not crack it.
Okay.
Mom, this will be the hardest game.
Guys, it's the moment you've been waiting for.
I'll be taking this.
That one look good. Babies, y'all all on the table. Y'all can't wait to get on the table. Oh, she got a couple of them. Give her one.
Just
Here
take
you go,
one.
baby. You want your cookie?
Just take one. Who knows what Christmas is all about? There,
No, let Avery pick hers out. Push it over here, Ava.
I'm just gonna need 3.
I'm gonna get this heart one, you guys. Because I have a big heart.
Big heart. Let me get it. Let me see which one on. Let's see. Don't look like nobody took one from this one yet.
No, I did. Oh, never mind.
I'm gonna try this one. That's no good.
The horse one?
What's wrong with
Well,
this?
she said she don't like it.
I want one.
Sit down, baby.
More?
Many times, many ways. Merry Christmas.
You don't know? What's these little thin things? Look. Thin as a piece of paper, y'all.
That thing's thin. I seen that one.
Damn.
I almost got it. Let's see what it tastes like.
It's like a chip. Literally.
What it tastes like?
Plain.
I don't like all
Try my style.
You might like it. Try it. Not bad.
I don't like all
Try that out, babe.
You can literally just take the chocolate off of this one, you guys.
It's like a grandfather kind of.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
It kind of does. It's good. I like this one.
It's dinner time.
And we're going to say a prayer before we tell y'all what's all on this plate here now. Put your hands together. Lord, thank you so much for this wonderful food in front of us. Let it nourish our bodies and do no harm against us. Thank you so much, Lord. In the name we pray.
Amen.
All right, y'all. We got some Hawaiian bread right here. Some greens, some mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, potato salad, yams, and chicken.
It looks mighty good, guys, I might say.
And we got some Louisiana for the hot sauce lovers. So I'm going to take some for my chicken and for my...
Can't go wrong with that.
I put that on everything.
Good, Ari? You ain't messing around.
How the apple cider
And
taste?
then we got apple cider for the drink. Did you try it yet?
Yeah, I thought it was apple juice.
Let
It
me
tastes
get-
just like apple juice? Let me try it.
It does taste a lot like it, but it has a cinnamon taste at the end.
Yeah, it almost tastes just like apple juice.
I taste that cinnamon, y'all. I taste that cinnamon at the end.
Ah,
And for it.
what you talking about over there?
So you guys, I put some of the chicken meat in here, and then some hot sauce, and the bread, and then some hot sauce. Try it. Look at mine.
Guys, I know y'all remember that video that we did with the hot sauces, the different varieties. Now this
It's real.
is real hot sauce.
It
This
ain't-
is burning.
It's not watered down or nothing.
Yes, it's burning. Like my tongue is on fire right now. Like this one's actually hot. But if you go back to that video and watch it, you'll see that we had no reaction. But this, you guys, y'all gonna have to get y'all some of this.
Louisiana.
It's hot. That's all I'm gonna tell y'all.
All right, guys, it looked like a few of us is about to catch that itis. You already know what that is.
Okay, make sure to subscribe, ring that notification bell, like, comment, and share on our videos.
Yes, sir. We'll see you guys tomorrow.